This papaya smoothie is a great way to start off your day because papayas are a great source of vitamin A, C, and E, and have minerals like magnesium and potassium. Papayas also are a great source of fiber. That means that our digestive system is going to be working properly. Hope you'll be giving the recipe a try. For my papaya smoothie, I'm going to be using a couple of ingredients which are going to be so basic. I have some ice cubes, my papaya, banana, turmeric, and a little bit of yogurt. So I'm going to get straight into making my delicious smoothie by adding in 1 banana to my blender. Bananas are a great source of potassium and they have lots of fiber. And for this recipe, the bananas are going to add in a lot of creaminess. Then because I've already peeled my papaya, I'm going to chop the papaya into my blender. Place my plate aside. Then into my blender, I'm going to be adding in some turmeric. Turmeric reduces inflammation in our body and also has antioxidants that help us fight diseases from our body. Also, it helps in boosting our immune system and reduces acne on our face. So it's a very good spice. If you don't have the powdered spice, you can use the fresh turmeric and still it's going to be so good. So to my blender, I'm going to add in half a cup of yogurt, which is going to add in lots of creaminess, vitamins, and nutrients. Lastly, add in some ice cubes to my blender. Then I'm going to cover and blend. If you don't have ice cube, you can simply add in half a cup of water and then blend until smooth. So the ice is going to make my papaya smoothie turn out chilled and very refreshing. Using the back of my spoon, I'm going to place in some yogurt in my glass just to add in a very nice, pretty design to my presentation, my smoothie presentation. And because my smoothie is ready and yeah, it's so creamy. Just look at this. I'm going to add into my glass. So this is a very nice way that you can enjoy some chilled papaya smoothie, which is very nutritious and filling. Hope you'll be giving the recipe a try and it's going to be so good.